Hey everyone, today's video is about something I honestly didn't expect to talk about. The HeatWave Scarf. Now before I tell you what went wrong and how I fixed it, this is just my honest experience after actually using it for a few weeks. So I bought this scarf because I live in one of those places where winter seems to last forever. And I thought, all right, maybe this will finally keep me warm without layering up like a snowman. Well, my first mistake was ordering a cheap knockoff that looked exactly like the HeatWave scarf. It arrived in a thin bag, smelled weird, and didn't even heat up properly. Lesson learned, don't fall for random low price listings. So I went back and got the real HeatWave scarf, and the difference was huge. The moment I turned it on, I could actually feel the warmth spreading evenly around my neck within seconds. It's super soft, like plush faux fur. And the USB power bank makes it portable. No cords, no fuss. I take it on walks, use it when I'm working from home, and sometimes even wear it during long car rides. The best part? It has 3 heat settings, so you can choose how warm you want it. Mild, cozy, or full blast. Now here's what I love. The battery actually lasts a few hours, and the material still feels soft even after washing. I was worried it'd lose the texture, but it didn't. As for downsides, the only real thing is that you need to remember to charge the power bank. Forget that and you're just wearing a very soft, regular scarf. But honestly, that's minor compared to the comfort you get, especially if you live in a cold climate or work in a chilly office. So yeah, my painful mistake turned out to be buying the fake one first. The real HeatWave scarf has been worth it. It's cozy, it's practical, and it's now one of my favorite winter gadgets. If you want to check it out for yourself, I've dropped a link in the description. It's the same one I ordered from, so you can avoid the cheap copies. And hey, if this review helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. I post honest, real-world reviews just like this. Stay warm out there, and I'll see you in the next one.